Welcome to Cooking with Layla. Today we're gonna make a good cake, and this is what it looks like. And we're gonna go ahead and start baking. And now, I'm going to do this next. We just mixed it up, and now we're gonna put the cupcake liners in. And by the way, we're making cupcakes. Seventeen, 18, 19, 20, 11, 12.
24.
I still have to make a bunch of pancakes. Ask a grown-up to put them in the oven. We wait for the cupcakes to get done. I stirred it up, and now we're gonna put it on the. Perfect. Just make sure to like and subscribe.